I just want to thank God because he didn't even have to do all of this. He didn't even have to do all of this, but he did that. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Boy, do I have a new bomb wig for y'all, and this one is from Queen Hair on AliExpress. It's 180% density, 13x6 frontal, and it is 24 glorious inches of hair. I did try to color it because it had a lot of blonde hairs in it, but the color didn't take well, so I ended up just plucking those hairs as I saw them. I did bleach the knots, pluck the frontal, and cut the lace off camera. What kind of inspired this video is this wand set that I got from Amazon, which I'll leave the link down below. But I actually had never used a bubble wand and I needed a new wand, so this is what I got. And New Year's was the first time I actually used it, and it came out so freaking good, and I got this bomb picture. So, you know, I had to recreate it, especially with all the compliments that I got. All right, I need honest opinions on electric hot combs versus, you know, stove hot combs, because I feel like this electric one, though it's very convenient, I feel like it just doesn't catch the hair like I need it to. Which do you guys prefer to use? All right, time for the install. Y'all know the drill. If you guys didn't know, I do have an online store called Studio 94, and my friend actually made this t-shirt for me, and I've kind of been considering adding it to the collection. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love it? And if you haven't, make sure you go check out my website. I'll be sure to leave the link down below. We gotta get this hair out of the way using our handy dandy grip gel. When I tell y'all this stuff is literally like glue, I love it. I'm just putting it on my edges to keep them out of harm's way. Next, I'm just doing the regular schmegular ball cap method using my Got To Be gel and spray. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I always have issues with the part of the cap that's supposed to be your sideburn. So what I've started doing is pressing the lace in around my hair and blow drying it at the same time with a comb, so that way it's super flat, super secure, and just molded to my head. And that has literally been such a game changer for me. Like, my cap was sitting like it's never sat before. And to make sure that it's extra flat, I went in with some Got To Be gel on the tail end of my comb and then used the blow dryer to kind of melt it into my skin. I always make sure to use the powder on the cap as well as my lace, because sometimes I feel like you can still see the cap through the lace, but when they're the same color, it kind of just blends in together. Plus, this lace is really beige versus a translucent or just a color that mimicked mine a little bit better. Then I'm going back in with some Got To Be gel and spray to actually melt my lace. Now, I actually put this on my skin as well as on the cap, which isn't the smartest idea because the cap does kind of start to lift up. But if you're quick with it, then it's not really that bad.
Oh, you got a thing for me. Trying to give up the thing for me. Stuck in my socials, trying to get into my mind. You should know better, but you'll go better.
Do y'all see this melt? Ugh, it's beautiful. Even though I'm not too big on baby hairs, I always feel like I need them every time I wear a wig for some reason. I know it's stupid. I'm gonna get better eventually, but not today. But I really am getting better at actually doing them and making them look a little bit more realistic, which I know I say in every video, but this time I really took my time and tried to make it look good.
Are you gonna be my ride or die? Yeah. So why you playing both sides? Yeah. She a prima donna, love with the commas. She no wanna love her. She no care about star signs. She only care about dollar signs. Calling on you. That girl with the biggest songs.
Once that's all done and set with a scarf, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more powder around the edges and down my part, and then I'm going to fluff out these curls.
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, yeah. I'm in love with the girl, them body so fire. Yeah, we like to keep it low profile. Yes, we go turn up on the link up. Yes, we go.
And that's all there is to it, guys.
Still fine. Now we can talk about stars.
All right, y'all, so I'm in love. Like, I wasn't planning on talking in this video, but I'm in motherfucking love. Like, this wig is bomb. Like, for one, like, I love my new wand, and it's like 5 different pieces in one. I got it from Amazon, and I never knew how clutch that little bubble wand thing is. Like, at first I thought it was like a little bubble, but I was like, literally everybody that seen me using it was like, what the hell is that? But this is what it is. Like, yeah, like, oh, look at that. Who the fuck are you? Oh man, this is great. I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute. I think just me and wand curls, we just get along. We understand each other. And I appreciate the fuck out of that, because not everybody can do a wand curl all the time. But every time I do a wand curl, that shit is bomb. Period. Let me know if you're loving this hair as much as I am. How do y'all feel about wand curls? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Because I feel like they're the bee's knees. I will never get tired of a wand curl. But let me know in the comment section below.
If you don't give me quality attention, oh yeah, attention. If you don't give me quality attention.
Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to do next. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.
Give me quality attention. Attention. If you don't give me quality